Subject: Design and Analysis of Algorithm Laboratory. Program number 6. Implement in Java the 01 knapsack problem using dynamic programming method, greedy method. Greedy method. First, you are reading the number of items with the help of the scanner, n equal to 3. Enter the knapsack capacity, m equal to 20. Enter the weight of the items. You are reading the one by one item and all that values are stored inside the array W, W1 18, W2 15, W3 10. Enter the profit of items. There are 3 items are there, so we have to enter 3 items profit and all that values are stored inside the array P. The profits are as follows: P1 10, P2 21, P3 18. Okay, this is a method to calculate profit by weight calculation. Parameters are n, weight and profit. And you are applying the for loop. For I equal to 1, for the item 1 you are calculating the profit by weight ratio and that will be stored inside the array R. R of I equal to P of I divided by W of I. Okay, now the I is 1, P1 divided by W1, 18 divided by 30 divided by 18. The value is 1.67. Next, I value is incremented to 2. R of 2 equal to P of 2 divided by W of 2, that is 21 divided by 15, that is 1.4. Next, I value 3, 3 less than or equal to 3. R of 3 equal to 18 divided by 10, the value is 1.8. Okay, with the help of profit by weight calculation method, we calculated the profit by weight of each item. Okay, next we have to rearrange the items based on the profit by weight ratio, that is the value of R of I. Okay, here the order of items method. This method, it will rearrange the items based on their profit by weight ratio. After sorting items based on R of I, okay, these are the items. Item 1 is 10, 18, 1.8. Item 2, weight is 18, profit 30, profit by weight ratio is 1.61. Item 3, weight 15, profit is 21, profit by weight ratio is 1.4. Okay, with the help of order items function, we can rearrange the items based on their R of I value. Okay, next knapsack problem. Okay, the knapsack function, the parameters are n indicates number of items, m indicates bag capacity, w the array of weight, p the array of profit. And here written the while function, while m greater than or equal to 0 and I less than or equal to n. If both the conditions satisfied, the control come inside the while loop. And inside the while loop, there is one if condition. If w of I less than m, then x value equal to 1, or else x value equal to m divided by wa. Later you are calculating the sum of profit and you are reducing the size of the bag because we are adding the item into the bag. Obviously the size of the bag reduces and you are incrementing the item value. And after the while loop terminates and you are printing the optimal solution. Okay, the first iteration, I is 1, n is 3, number of items, m equal to 20, that is the bag capacity, sum of profit is 0, w1 is 10 and p1 is 18. Okay, in the while loop, m is 20, 20 greater than 0, true, and I less than or equal to n, 1 less than or equal to 3, true. Both the conditions are true, so control come inside the while loop. And inside the while loop, there is a if statement. If 10 less than 20, 10 less than 20, true. So if condition is satisfied, so x value equal to 1. And when the if condition executed, the control is not going to the else part. Okay, next statement is sum of profit, s equal to s plus p1 into x. S value 0, 0 plus p1 is 18 into x value 1. 0 plus 18, 18. And we are adding the item 1 into the bag, so m value reduces, m equal to m minus w1 into x. m equal to 20 minus 10 into 1, m equals to 10. I plus plus I value incremented to 2. Okay, in the second iteration, I value 2, n value 3, m value reduces to 10, sum of profit increases to 18, W2 is 18 and P2 is 30. While m value 10 greater than 0 true and I less than or equal to n, 2 less than or equal to 3 true. Both the conditions are true, so control come inside the while loop. Inside the while loop, okay, there is a if statement. If w of 2 less than 10, w2 is 18, 18 less than 10 false, so control goes to the else part. Okay, in the else part, x equal to m divided by w of 2. Okay, x equal to m is 10, 10 divided by w2 is 18. We got 0.55555556. And next you have to calculate the sum of profit. Sum of profit is s plus p of 2 into x. S value is 18 plus p2 value is 30 into x value. Okay, we got sum of profit is 34.666668. And you have to calculate the m value. M is m minus w2 into x. M value is 10, 10 minus w2 is 18 into x value. So the m value is 0. Next, I plus plus, I is incremented to I plus plus, that is a 2 plus plus, I is incremented to 3. Okay, next in the third iteration, I equal to 3, n equal to 3, m equal to 0, s value is 34.666668, w3 is 15 and p3 is 21. Okay, while loop, m greater than 0, 0 greater than 0 false. So in a AND operator, any one of the condition become false, the control come outside the while loop. And outside the while loop, there you have the println statement. Optimal solution is S value, that is 34.666668 units. So the optimal solution for the given knapsack problem is 34.666668 units. Students, if you understand the concept, like and share the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for next updates. Thank you.